5 ways to instantly be more attractive to people. Have you ever met someone who might not be the best looking person in the room, but you just cannot stop wanting to be around them? Like their energy is magnetic and you just want to hang out with them and talk to them and listen to every single word they have to say? Well, today I'm going to show you 5 ways that you can instantly be more attractive to people, and not just physically, but in how you make them feel. And the best part is you can start doing all of them today. So let's get right into it. Number 1, confidence without arrogance. People are drawn to someone who feels comfortable in their own skin. So you don't have to be the loudest or the center of attention, but you want to stand tall, make eye contact, and speak clearly. Confidence says, I know who I am, and that's magnetic. So practice a small power posture for a minute before you go into a meeting or a social event, or try to slow down your speaking, unlike me. Number 2, listen more than you talk. People are instantly attracted to someone who makes them feel seen and heard. So ask questions, nod, and just really try to absorb what they're saying, because that creates an invisible connection that is stronger than anything you could possibly say about yourself. So pro tip, next time you meet someone, focus on asking them one meaningful question, not how is the weather, instead of trying to impress them. Number 3, smile genuinely. There's a very big difference between and a real smile, right? Smiling releases oxytocin in both you and the other person, which makes your interaction feel warm and inviting. And a genuine smile communicates kindness and approachability and positivity, all very attractive traits. So before you walk in, think of something that makes you genuinely happy right before you meet someone. Number 4, mirror their energy. This does not mean copying them exactly. It means subtly matching their tone, their pace, and their body language. People feel instantly more comfortable around those who move in sync with them because it creates a sense of familiarity and trust. So try matching their pace or their posture in a conversation. It's going to make people feel more at ease. Number 5, express interest, especially through your words and actions. So remembering small details about someone, complimenting them sincerely, or showing up when it matters communicates that they're valuable to you. And people are naturally drawn to those who make them feel important. So next time you're talking to somebody, make a mental note of a detail that they mentioned and then bring it up later. It shows that you truly care. I just did this a week ago and the person was blown away. Here's the thing. Being attractive is not about your looks or your charm alone. It's also about presence, attention, and the energy that you give to others, right? So if you start practicing these 5 things today, you'll notice that people will naturally gravitate towards you. The energy that you're putting out is magnetic. So if you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button and share it with somebody else who could use a little magnetic energy in their life. Your presence can be really powerful. So remember who you are and use it wisely.